That's a lot of water.
How much do you think?
What's that for?
This is for to let the put the chitlins in there and let them boil that fat.
We are making chitterlings. Me and my daddy-o. I had to call him back up for my video. So here's the sea loaf. I don't know where you're gonna find it at, but we can find it at this place called Larry's in Raleigh. And this is what makes it yummy. My daddy is a chef. I guess we're just waiting for the water to boil.
You just open them packs up and dump them in there.
I just dump them in there. I gotta touch
They
it.
gonna break up, well.
Okay.
No.
Here we go. I'm on it. You just dump it in there, Daddy.
Dump it in there.
Now, do they have to be cut in little slithers like that? Daddy, don't get burned. Chitlins. Yummy. Who eats chitlins? I do. Only my daddy's chitlins, though. I don't fool with everybody's chitlins.
I ain't cooking for one, so I'm gonna cook all of them.
Is that pot big enough?
Yeah, it'll be big enough.
You literally just open it up and put it in there. All right, so we boiling the fat. Well, how long? When can we eat it?
It'll be a minute for you. You ain't eat this.
I thought they was ready made. They not.
Well, they are, but then you gotta put your own little stuff, little twist to it.
That's right, Daddy. Put your twist to it. Yes, fam. Chitterlings. So these are already cleaned and everything. We've been eating Daddy's chitterlings for real for years. So he put vinegar in there. What's that? Apple cider vinegar.
It takes the smell. Plus it tender. It breaks them down.
Oh, it tenderizes them. And as you can see, chefs don't measure nothing. So just pour enough in there. How you know when it's enough?
You want the vinegar taste to be out of it.
Well,
you want that vinegar taste to be. You get over here. Stuff.
Right, that's all we got there. You need a knife? Break them up in there real good. These are going to be delicious. So the vinegar breaks down the fat. And what is it in? Get the taste out of them.
Yeah, boil the fat. Fish. See, they cooked, but they ain't cooked enough.
Gotcha. Ready? Because I need it. Okay. And we always eat our chitterlings with rice. So this right here, fam, is my contribution to the whole situation. I got y'all on the boil in a bag rice. Hot tea is ready. Yes, nice little stir. It's about to be loved. Yes. Notice, only vinegar this far. We ain't put no seasonings in because we got to get rid of the fat first. Work it, Daddy. Put some love into it. How do you know when you're ready to go to the next step?
Fat off.
Does it look different? It's fluffy now. Okay. So we left the top off. You got to stir constantly because they'll stick. We're trying to simmer it, get some of that sauce and stuff off, so then we can start seasoning it. Looking good. Oh, it's almost gone, Daddy. So do you pour it off, or does it just cook? It just boils out.
Cooks off.
Ah, interesting.
So that's the top one.
Can we eat?
No.
Okay. Well, he just poured the Georgia in, stirring it up. Water boiling for the rice. Chitterlings cooking down nicely. You gonna put some more seasoning in it?
I'll put a little bit of hot.
This right here, yes. They put the heat on, and there you have it. Beautiful, delicious, shiny rice. How the chitlins doing?